particular machines, they have a lot of attachments, but one of the best attachments on these machines is the 4-in-1 bucket. Now, why we call it 4-in-1? Because it does 4 different jobs. First of all, you're just using it as a normal bucket, dirt bucket as we call it, and you can basically scoop up your dirt, and you can dig with it, and you can load your trucks, and you can carry the material around. Remember, this bucket takes about 2 wheelbarrows. Imagine just digging it by hand and then bringing it out with a wheelbarrow. 1 hour work of this machine, it could just be 1 day for 1 laborer, maybe 2 laborers. Okay, so the next movement that the 4-in-1 bucket does, it's a dozer blade. Basically, you open it up, and then you can push your dirt around, you can level out, and using it as a dozer blade, it's a very, very good idea. The other system that it has, it's the front blade. We can call that a scraper, because you can actually scrape the material because it has a very sharp edge, and then you can scrape your materials. And the fourth movement that this bucket does is that it can load itself. Now imagine you just finish your stockpile by pushing. When you have a little bit of soil left, what are you going to do? You're just going to keep pushing around, or you're going to settle it into the bucket because you can't keep pushing it. It's just too little. Now, the movement of the 4-in-1 bucket that I'm talking about is the one that basically you can use it as a scraper, fill the bucket open, and then you just close the bucket, and all your materials stay in the bucket. And that also is very handy when you load up trucks, because you can just open your 4-in-1 bucket and all the material falls in. So give us a call and we'll be able to help you out.